What is up, guys? It is Echo X Soldier here, and I am going to be showing you how to install a custom Minecraft Xbox 360 world on your Xbox 360. Now this is easy, and once you're on the home page, simply all you do is go all the way as far right as possible to system settings. Now once you're in system settings, simply go to storage. Once in storage, if you have your memory unit placed in, which is obviously my USB drive, make sure you've configured it, because a lot of the times you wouldn't have configured it. Now I currently have Minecraft in here. Let me just move this back to my console 1 second. Now this tutorial is really easy. I have done one before, so hopefully this one will explain a little bit more details, because people do seem to get stuck on this. It's very simple, it's very easy to do. Now the first thing you want to do is obviously go to your hard drive. Now whatever profile you are using, you must put that profile on your USB. So for this sake, I'll use my main account and just place it onto my USB drive. It's very easy to do, guys. Honestly, I don't know how many people have asked me how to do this, but I will pretty much include this into every video I do when I am installing maps. So as you can see, my actual profile is on my USB. If I go over here, you'll notice that my profile is there. Now along with putting your profile on your account, you also want to go to games and apps. Simply head down to Minecraft. Let me just find Minecraft. Now make sure you have previously created the world. As you can see, I've got loads of game saves in here, but for this sake, simply for this actual game, I'm just gonna, as you can see, I've got a new world. All I'm gonna do is move this world to my actual memory unit. Now why I say this is because when you go on Horizon, you'll notice that once you're on Horizon that you need to basically have Minecraft there so you can inject the file. So you'll notice that once I have done this, if I go to my memory unit, you'll notice that I have the game Minecraft and I have my profile. So that is it for the actual Xbox part. Let's head over back to the PC. So guys, once you've done all the steps on the actual Xbox 360, head over to your laptop, head over to your PC, and basically put your USB into your system. Now once you've done this, you're going to need you're going to need one program and the file that you're wanting to inject. So for this instance, it's going to be, as you can see, I have Assassin's Creed and Middle-earth, Hunger Games maps for Xbox 360. I will install them both just to show you how it works. Now like I said, you're going to need a program. The program is Horizon. There will be a download link in the description. Now obviously you want to open Horizon. This part is very simple, but make sure you do watch it, because you don't want to get stuck with this and corrupt your profile. Now ignore this part, because obviously you just want to open Horizon any way you do possible. So once you're in Horizon, your USB should be located on this right side. If it's not showing up, you've done something wrong, so make sure you do reformat your USB and try again. Now in here you'll notice that I have games is Minecraft, and you'll notice in here gamer profiles, that is my profile. So once you've done that, you want to simply go over to Minecraft, and obviously if you, my actual games are located in the MC360 maps. So I want to right click inject file. Now wherever you've located your actual file, you want to head over to that part. For this instance, like I said, mine's in MC360 maps, so I want to click on that. Actually ignore that part, that's just details, but here it says save. Now the save is the actual game that you're going to be adding, so you want to click that, double click on that, sorry. Now it'll come up with this saying, do you want to use this profile? Click yes, use this profile. Now once you've used it, you'll notice that a big bar up here will load. The following package was successfully transferred to your flash drive, speed build 1, click OK. Now for this instance, I'm going to install 2 maps just to show you how simple it is. So I want to go back to Assassin's Creed. As you can see, it's just a random map, so use this profile, simply let it load up. Now as you can see, it's quite a big file. City of Acrithus loaded, click OK. Now this means that the actual games are on your account. As you can see there, they are there if you actually located them. So you can close down this, and make sure you do this, guys. Make sure you right click on the actual USB. Doing this will not mean anything, but I do it because then you won't corrupt your actual file, and then nothing will happen to your account. So click eject. As you can see, safe to remove hardware, so instantly pull out your USB drive, and I'll see you on the Xbox 360. So welcome back to the Xbox 360, guys. Once you've done everything I did, hopefully you've done it all correct. You basically want to double check that everything is in there. Make sure your profile isn't corrupted. As you can see, my profile is fine, and you'll notice that in Minecraft we have the actual save, which we did use to transfer these other 2 saves. We have the City of Acrithus, which is the actual game, and the speed build, which was the other Hunger Games map, now installed. So once you've done this, you want to simply move these back to your actual hard drive. Now depending, if you want to, you don't have to, guys. You can leave them on your USB if you want, but I tend to move all of them back just for safekeeping, just so nothing goes wrong. So Let me just move all these back, then I will go on to Minecraft and show you that it's all working perfectly. Now I always transfer my main account, especially my main account, sorry, back to my actual hard drive because I don't want to corrupt it, especially if it's on your USB. Transfer it over. It should sign you out. Alright, maybe not. So okay, so once you've done that, you can simply basically start up whatever game you want to start up. For this instance, obviously we need to do it for Minecraft, so 1 second, let me just head back to my main screen. Load, goddammit. So go on to your recent games. Obviously Minecraft will be in there. Load up Minecraft as you would normally. Now, for these people who do want to do this and you want to test out, I will have the actual links to Horizon in the description, along with a few maps that you can mess around with. Maybe a Hunger Games map, maybe like Castle Kingdom, just to basically test to make sure that you were doing it all correct. But once you've done it all correct, you can just simply load up Minecraft the way you would normally. You'll notice that for my instance, I have many games in here. So always, depending on where your actual games are, obviously for this instance mine are on the hard drive, always transfer them to your hard drive in my opinion. That way you don't get a little bit confused and that you're not messing around with your USB, especially if it's your main account. So you notice that I've got many actual worlds in here, but for one we have the speed build, which was the Hunger Games map, and for the second one we have the actual city of Akathis. I think it's that. I don't even know how to say it, but oh well. Let's head into Speed build 1. You can have whatever settings you want, simply load it up and you should be good to go. As you can see, the map is simply loaded up, working perfectly, and that is how you install maps. Now guys, if you did enjoy this, make sure you hit a like, and if you do have any problems, leave a comment. I will help you out the best I can, but it's really simple. All you do is inject the file. Apart from that guys, I am Echo X Soldier. I will catch you all in the next video, and hopefully any maps I do add in future videos, you can check them out and you should know how to install them. I will catch you all in the next video. Peace out.